All right. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's going to be a great stream. It's going to be a great stream, guys. So we are going to do a ton of chart requests today. That's my overall goal. So I have a massive list of charts that I want to get caught up on. Now, the reason why I'm doing it today is if you go over here, I made a poll on Twitter. And I said, what do you want me to do? A trading tutorial or chart request? 60% of the votes came out with chart request. So I'm going to give you guys what you guys want, right? You want chart requests, we will do chart requests. So either way works for me. I have a lot of plan for a massive tutorial series. Essentially what my goal is, and I'm going to be making like the best tutorial that exists for crypto on YouTube. That's my goal. There's a lot of tutorials for crypto, but usually they're behind a paywall. So I'm going to go ahead and release it for free. Now, I don't know exactly what I'll be doing that now because you guys want chart requests, but that's fine. No worries. It's what it is. So what I'll be doing instead is I'm going to be doing chart requests for you guys, but the goal is once I start doing this tutorial series, I'm then going to come back and have an editor fix all these live streams up and make them really good so that they're all nice and flow well, get rid of all the dead space, adding graphics and things like that. And then it's going to be the end state will be just a massive tutorial series that's going to be like top notch, okay? Be like one of the best that YouTube's ever seen. That's my goal. Now, obviously, we got some time for that. I was going to do it today, but guess not. No worries. I had a lot to do today anyway, so it's not really a huge deal. All right, let's get my chart, my chat up. There we go. All right, now we can see people. This is great. So yeah, chart request. That's what I'm doing today. Now, my chart request. I have some rules with chart requests. Okay, you guys need to pay attention. This is how we're going to do it today. So, number one, I have a list of charts that I'm going to be doing today. I already have a list. So they're going to be right in here. Where's that? Right here, chart request. Okay. Down here, I have a big list. Now, if you want to add a chart that does not exist on this list, you are going to have to do, you're either going to have to become the member of the channel, okay, member of the YouTube channel, or you can donate to me on a, on the, what is it called? The super chat deal. Donate to me $20 American, okay, $20 American or whatever the equivalent's going to be, and I will do it immediately. I will drop whatever I'm doing, and I will give you the chart request right then and there, okay? These guys who have all these chart requests in here, these are people, these are Patreon subscribers, so I'm going to make sure I focus on them, give them the extra information and really give them the attention, but we're going to do all of these live on the stream. So you can either go ahead and become a member of the channel, do a sticker, or not a sticker, a super chat, or just pay attention, guys. Like, I'm going to be doing a ton of chart requests, and so during this, it's going to be a really, really great experience for you just to pay attention because you're going to understand the process that I go through to identify price targets, identify supports, tell whether or not a chart is bullish or bearish or not, and things like that. So we'll make it entertaining. We'll make it enjoyable. So maybe we find some really, really good ones. Who knows, guys? We'll dive through here. Kind of off topic. Do you ever use the MACD indicators? You know, I really don't, but I know it's very effective, and I probably should include it in my analysis. I know a lot of people do use it. I really don't have a reason. I haven't really done it, but I probably should, honestly. AC 1023, nice to see you, man. David, it's nice to see you as well. Javier, what's up? What's up, man? Cool, guys. All right. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. I plan on doing this for about 2 hours, give or take, and I'm just going to knock out as many as possible. I think I can knock them all out, but I'm not entirely sure. And that's the plan, guys. So if you want to stick around, awesome. You're going to learn a lot, okay? Stick around. You're going to learn a lot. Am I going to do Zcash? Well, I mean, if it's on this list, I will. So, or if you want to go ahead and become a member of the channel, or if you want to go ahead and throw me a super chat for $20, I'll do it for you, man. That's my those are my rules for this stream. So let's go ahead and dive right in because you have to understand, guys, These guys have actually paid me money, so I don't want to blow them off. That's not the goal. All right, let's go ahead and get an announcement set up, or a live stream set up. Everyone, or live stream chart request live on stream. Let's do this. Go here. What's this? The YouTube link. All right, and we're up. Cool. We are finding the next 20X altcoin. That is the goal. That is the goal while we're out here. So first off, guys, look at this chart. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I'm telling you, I have this on my computer at all times, and I just always like come back to it and watch this because this chart looks just perfect. Very happy. Daily block, daily resistance, or daily block. Acted as resistance, resistance again, busted above, come back down, retest, forming a bullish consolidation pattern, which is a flag or a falling wedge. Ah, man, this looks just beautiful. I'm very, very, very happy about this. Massive, massive rounded bottom. This is just perfect. Yep, this is Jigstack. Jigstack. You got to go to the right one, though. So coin market cap. The other cool part about this one is also super, super, super low market cap. All right. Like, no bullshit. It's extremely low market cap, which means it has a ton of potential. If my computer wants to go today, 3,237. This is crazy. So only has $37 million of market cap. Just nuts. Absolutely nuts. All right, cool. So, yeah, I own way too much Jigstack, but I'm okay with that. All right, let's see. Chart requests going in there. Awesome cadence. I see you, Flyhawk. All right, buddies. Let's make it happen. All right, I left off right here. Let's do this. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm only gonna do one chart request per person. Okay, once I do a chart request for somebody, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next one. All right, because like I'm not gonna do 3 charts on one post. So sorry, but I'm gonna go back and do it later, maybe. But I don't want to do like all these chart requests for the same people. So let's go ahead and do KLV. Never heard of it. And I have already done chart requests for Sushi and Adam. Sushi looks amazing. And Adam, I haven't done Adam actually. I'm sure he'll be down here later as well. All right, either way, KLV. I know nothing about this chart, but I'm going to show you guys the process that I go through to decide whether or not a chart is bullish or not. So KLV, and we're also going to go to the Bitcoin pairing. KLV, Bitcoin, KuCoins. Okay, awesome. So let's look at this. All right, well, the first thing I look at, this is very obviously a, oh, wow, look at that negative funding. Oh, my gosh. All right, clearly an impulse, clearly a corrective structure. Let's see if there's a channel formed here. That'd be really, really nice. It's not necessary, but man, it would give us some really good confluence. Right here, close. It's not bad. You can definitely see it's some sort of a channeling pattern. You know what? I like it. Yeah. Impulse, correct structure. I like it. I already like it. I don't even care. This looks great. Let's go ahead and do a Fibonacci extension or retracement. Okay, it's retraced down to 786. Too far of a retracement for me to be super bullish on it. But overall, the pattern looks really nice. I do like this. Let's go ahead and do this. KLV. Where's this at? KLV. I'm going to go ahead and give the 100% on here. Okay, KLV. So we're going to go over here to altcoin analysis, do a KLV. The BTC pairing looks good on the market structure. Structure, clear impulse, followed by a clear corrective structure. One of my favorite types of plays. It retraced down to the 0.786, which is further than I would like to see. Low time frame. Do we have anything on here? Let's go ahead and get rid of this. We don't need that anymore. Daily, not much. 4 hour, not much either. So the key is, yeah, this chart looks really good. I like it. Yeah, I like it. Not bad. Retrace a little too far for me, but overall, I think it still looks fine. Ooh, what is this? What is going on here? All right, let's see. Once again, bottom to top, down to below. Yep, below. So I don't like how far it dropped. That's the only part I don't like about it, but overall, I still think it looks okay. Oh, man, look at this. Rejected at what? 200 moving average. Of course it did. Wait, no. Yeah, I did. Rejected at the 200 moving average. Okay. USD pairing. Rejected at the daily 200 MA. Once again, a clear impulse followed by a clear corrective structure. And again, retraced further than I would like to see. Overall, I like it. Overall, I like it, but would want to see bullish market structure form first before diving in due to correcting too hard. Correcting. Oh my God, I can't talk today. Too far. All right, perfect. So, hope that all makes sense. Let's go ahead and throw these on here. Boom. Done. Next one. Let's go. Avax. Let's do it. The BVI. Avax. All right. Let's see. I think I've done Avax before. Pretty sure I have. AVAX. Nope. AVAX. I did on Bitcoin. Oof, look at that. Stair-stepping. Beautiful. Look at the stair-step, okay? Yeah, okay, perfect. So you guys can see this is what I was playing back in the day. So I like the overall structure of it. We have sort of a corrective channel or a falling wedge. We broke out, retested, broke out, retested. You guys can see how we keep retesting the same levels. This looks very similar to the way that TEL looked. So if you want to take a risk at it, like now's the time. This is the time to do a risk. If you wanted to give it a shot, like now is the time. We're retesting. So is it going to follow the same structures before? I mean, we really don't have a reason why it won't. Yeah, this is pretty clean. Yeah, if you want to give it a shot, I mean, I don't see why not, honestly. Based upon this, you guys can see that retest right there. Retest, came back here, retest, came back here, retest. Avax. Do I have a chart request on here? Or do I have a... I do. Wait. Yeah, I do. Avax. I covered this for an altcoin analysis back when it was breaking out from the wedge, but the stair-stepping pattern on the BTC structure or pairing looks good. We are retesting the previous high, and we should assume it will keep going up until there is bearish pressure. Bearish signs of weakness. Okay, let's go over here. Drop that sucker down. Pop. Awesome. Okay, now let's go over here to the US dollar pairing and make one. Avax, Tetherus. Where's it at? All right. Cup handle, drop down, accelerate up. I do not like this channel. Is this a channel? I think it is. Ooh. Please don't be a channel. Please don't be a channel. Okay, thank God it's not. All right, it's not a channel, which is good because that would make my that would be very concerning if we had a channel. Because channels are, by definition, corrective structures, which still might be a channel. Ugh, I don't like this. Yeah, it looks pretty channelish to me. So, because right here, deviation. Yeah, this is a channel. Let's go to a weekly time frame. What do we have on here? No, 3-day. Yeah. This is a 3-day point of breakdown. How did you decide to draw these lines? What, right here? Wait, which one are you talking about? AYT 312. You're talking about? I think you're talking about this one, right? Let's talk about that real quick. This is for Avax, right? Yeah, Avax is up here. Okay, why did I choose these lines? Well, if you go over here, you can see what were the previous interactions, right? This high right here. So I'm going to go ahead and assume the equivalent high would be right here, right? On this market structure, right? So it wasn't the initial pump. It retraced down to here. Now, what I would like to see, and there may be a better level here. Let's see. I don't know if I want to call that, though. I could call this. I could call that. That's technically... It's technically a breaker. It was the overall line of best fit, essentially. That's how I was really drawing it. This made the most sense here, so I wanted to move it back over here as well. Same sort of level. This breaker also seems fairly significant, so I'm going to go ahead and say either way, we're definitely retesting this area before the increase, before the impulse, right? So I don't know. It's more of a judgment call on that. It's what feels right on that chart. I don't really have a clear, defined answer on there. It's just what feels right. So I hope that makes sense, but that's really all I got, man, honestly. Hey, I don't like this, though. Let's go back to here. I do not like this. So I'm going to go ahead and say this is deviation, okay? This is going to be a deviation or a shakeout. Okay, deviation from the range. And this is a corrective movement to the upside. Now, so this definitely looks corrective. So channels are not bad, but the problem is, though, channels are going to move like that, and usually they break to the downside. So could it keep channeling? Yeah, but it also is showing some weakness. So I'm going to go ahead and say I would not go into Avax right now based upon this. Now, what I want to see, so you have 3 ways that you can play this, obviously. I know this almost seems stupid to even put on there, but I think it's actually pretty significant. A bullish, incredibly bullish shine with this, okay? That would be like a parabolic movement, okay? And this would be extraordinarily bullish. I can't even stress that enough, okay? If we had this, that would be insane, okay? We could also have something like here where it bounced down here and we keep ranging or whatever, right? It's possible. But every time it does this, you're going to have another bearish divergence form. So I don't really think, oh, crap. I don't really think this is really that healthy of a movement. I want to see it go parabolic if that's the case. So like that. Or, of course, and I think this is the most likely scenario, I think we're going to break down. Maybe down here? Maybe? Make a lot of sense. This level makes a lot of sense. Let's see, we have a weekly level. No. 3-day. Maybe? Question mark? This could. Yeah, I think it makes sense. I like this. I'm going to go ahead and say this support level makes a lot of sense. I like this. Yeah, I like that. Look at the daily. This makes it clear. All right. Javier, I told you, man, you were already in here, bro. I'm not doing any charts that from YouTube. I'm only doing them from here on Discord, okay? Now, if you want, you can become a member of the channel, or you can drop a $20 super chat, and I will do it as well, all right? So just spamming in the chat, not going to help you out, buddy, I promise you. All right, let's see. The USD pairing, is turning into a channel upward, which is actually a fairly bearish sign of losing strength. You want to see it go parabolic and break upwards out of the channel to really get an acceleration. My assumption, we are actually close to the top. All right, let's go ahead and dive into this sucker. Drop it down. All right, neat. Avax is done. I'm pretty happy with this analysis. I think it makes sense. That's what I think makes that. This is what I think makes the most sense. Yeah. All right. Chart request. So Avax is done. 100%. QSP and Propy. I don't know what that is. Let's go ahead and do QSP. Oh, quant stamp. Okay. Yeah, I already have it on here. I'll update quant. Why not? I like it. MNLP, Q. Cool. Oof. Ooh, no. Oh, God, we're losing it. Oh, God, we're losing it. No. Yeah, we are losing it. All right. That sucks. Is this still significant? I'm going to go ahead and say no. I don't think it's significant anymore. I think the more significant level is now that we've already have all this price action in between, I don't think it's no longer valid. I think now we need to focus in our efforts on another level. And we have plenty of options. So this right here is a clear support level. Right? No, this is the support, right? This is tough. I don't like either one of them. Let's go back. 3-day. So this is what's going to frustrate me. See this? These separations are really screwing us up. How these lines are not adding up. I really don't like trading charts if they have this sort of graphical issues with them. It's irritating me. I don't really like this chart. And not the fact that the structure of it, just because I don't like doing like this. This is not a green candle. Okay, this is not a green candle. And I don't know where the hell it opened and closed at. I hate this. This is really bugging me. All right, I'm going to focus. Hey, there we go. Javier. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish up Quant Stamp, and I will definitely do which one? Ankr. Yeah, of course, Ankr. You got it, buddy. Absolutely. All right, let's go ahead. Yeah, this one's bugging me though. You guys see this though? Like by normal candlesticks, okay, your opens and closes need to be lined up. Okay, so this is the open, this is the close. Well, you can't have an open that starts way the hell down here and then ends up here. That's how you would have a green candle. The open has to be in the bottom, close up here. So if you close right here, you can't then open the next day right there. It doesn't make sense, okay? It doesn't make sense. So, dude, I just, this is really irritating me. So like, how am I supposed to make breakers on here with this messed up information? It doesn't, like, I can't even do my strategy on here. So I'm going to go ahead and just not do QSP. All right, I'm not even going to do it. It's really irritating me, and I don't want to give you guys bad information because I can't use a lot of my strategies with it. Here's what I will do, though. Let's look at this. I'll just not do breakers in this one. I'll do something else, and it's going to be a Fibonacci retracement and see where we're at. This is a golden pocket retracement. This looks good. Awesome. Yep, golden pocket retracement right there. I like it. Just because this one reason, this golden pocket, and I'm assuming probably a breaker, maybe, that is going to be a golden pocket retracement, right? You guys see that? QSP. Let's go over here. The BTC version, what do we have on this one? It's a total freaking disaster again. Look at this crap. I don't know what the heck I'm drawing out there. Is that a monthly? Oh, that's why. Okay, that makes sense. It's a monthly level. Oof, no. This is concerning. Yeah, this right here is concerning because look at this. You have this breaker established, you push up from it, now you went below it, and now you're retesting from the downside. This is now acting as support, as a resistance. No, just because it's one thing right here, I don't like this chart. All right, let's go over here, QSP. QSP, where's it at? I'm losing my mind over here. Quant Stamp, QSP. Oh, I don't have it. All right, cool. Let's do it over here. Altcoin analysis. QSP. Oh, well, I don't have it. QSP. So for starters, I don't like doing charts where the opens and closes don't match up. It essentially makes breakers impossible to establish. So I am unable to use those in this analysis. However, we are doing a golden pocket retracement of the local uptrend right now. So this should act as a good support zone if you want to take a shot at it. However, the BTC high time frame chart does not look good. It appears like it is rejecting off of a monthly breaker and looks to be doing a bearish retest on it. I think that there are better options out there. All right. Upload a file. 1 and 2. Up it up. Click. Neat. Got it. Publish. Ready to roll. Cool. Let's do some Ankr for my boy Javier. Let's do this, buddy. All right. Ankr. Where are we at? I haven't done a chart on this in quite a while. I honestly don't know what I'm looking at or what I'm going to find. Okay. That's a weekly breaker retest. Pretty good. I like that. 3-day. That is a... Okay, I need to establish... You know what we're going to do? For my boy, Javier, I'm going to entirely start a fresh chart. I'm going to go through step by step. Okay? That's what I'm going to do. Oh, Chris. Hey, man. Appreciate that, buddy. Dude, I'm telling you, that's my goal. I really do want to make a single video series that's going to be, like, no kidding, the best series out there. That's my goal. I'm going to record it, like, in one or probably multiple streams. I'm just going to sit down and just start going over stuff. And what's going to happen is I'm going to pay an editor to go through and really fix everything up that I say and make it look all nice and pretty, put really cool graphics with it, and publish it. So that's what I want to do. But the overall goal is it's going to be like the best content that exists on YouTube. That's my goal. There's a lot of free content on for traditional stocks that's out there, but there's very, very little free stuff for crypto. So I want to do a really good one. I actually watched a couple of the videos, like the ultimate guides, and I was just not impressed. So I went ahead and I'm just like, screw it, I'm going to do it. And so I am. That's my goal. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at this. Just beautiful. This right here is just like, this stuff always blows my mind how well this stuff works. You guys see that? Absolutely disgusting bull trap. And this is why it's very important to wait for a candle close and not assume. Okay? But yeah, that's just gorgeous. Damn, that's amazing. All right. Focus. I need to focus. Well, for one, below 200 moving average, never a fan of that. Right, so below 200 moving average is always concerning. Let's go to the high time frame, the monthly level. This down here, not really significant. This is not closed. If we close below here, technically that's a massive monthly resistance level that's going to be established. So that's concerning. Is Bitcoin dropping? No, it's holding up really nicely. Nice. Cool. Weekly. Technically, this is a... You know, I'm going to go ahead and annotate it. I think it makes sense. I do like this. This is going to be a support level. Support breaker. This is going to be a weekly breaker. And this is going to be a loss. This is going to be a breakthrough retest. So, if this market is bullish, which I think it is, this needs to hold. Okay? It needs to hold. That's the key. This level really, really needs to hold. If we lose this, we're going to have a bad time. Okay? I'm saying that right now. It's going to be bad. It'll be very, very bad. Over here, this is significant. Okay, why is that? Because this is the last up candle before the massive downtrend. So this is going to be a resistance level. Let's go to some Fibonacci levels, see where we're at. To the top, golden pocket retracement. The 702. Yeah, so we're definitely at a major support level right now. You know what? This is a major support level. There's no way to avoid it. Yeah, this is definitely a major support level. If you want to get into Ankr, right here actually looks pretty good. Now, we have not looked at the BTC pairings. Let's go ahead and dive into that as well. Ankr BTC, like you guys see this support, it's still holding. This has a very descending-ish triangle look to it, which I'm not a huge fan of by any means. But overall, I mean, it looks fine. We have a... I think it looks fine. Honestly, I do. I don't like the 200 moving average. We lost it. That's the biggest thing about this chart that's concerning to me. But overall, I think it looks okay. All right, so let's go ahead and do some Ankr analysis on here. I'm going to try to annotate this and make it all make sense. Ankr. We are actually in a very nice area for a retracement. We are side of a weekly breaker and the golden pocket for the movement up, the local movement upwards. The BTC pairing is also testing major support, which is nice. But the BTC support level has been tested multiple times. So it is losing its strength as a support. Overall, I think it is a nice, aggressive entry now. If you want to take a shot at it, won't pretty easy to see if it is invalidated as well. Yep. All right. So, Javier, does that make sense? I want to make sure you get your information for this, okay? So let's look at this. Over here, what I'm looking at is you're going to have a weekly support level, okay? And this weekly support level is right here. Right there, the support breaker, okay? Because you went below it, broke above, and you're retesting. This is a horizontal support resistance flip. You would imagine that this would act as a support level. Hold on a second. This is still the golden pocket for the entire movement. I don't know how significant this is now because it dropped all the way down to 786, but this is still a golden pocket retracement level, so of the entire structure. Yeah, like this is still a golden pocket retracement, no matter how you want to look at it. We are at a golden pocket retracement macro structure. Okay. Boom. Got it. So, you can see this. Entire structure fell down to the 0.618 to 702. That's the golden pocket. And we come over here. We have this trend line. You guys can see how it clearly has rejected this level, kind of the daily, it becomes very clear. Clear rejection, clear bull trap. Now, you shouldn't have got caught up in that because you did not have a confirmation or a close above that daily level, right? That's number one. So you shouldn't have got caught, but if you did get caught, you know, sucks to suck, right? It also looks to me like this was also a 3-day breaker that was established, or a 3-day point of breakdown, which, look at that tap, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous tap. Beautiful. 3-day point of breakdown. You guys see that? 3-day point of breakdown, tapped it, rejected, right? So it was a trend line and a 3-day point of breakdown. So you definitely should not have bought here. There's no reason for anyone to buy at this point. This is a super, super obvious level you do not want to be buying at. Now, we lost it. We have another level right here. I think it's also significant. This is going to be a 3-day breaker. Not a point of breakdown, but a breaker. Okay. This one, though, I believe is a point of breakdown. You have consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. Last up candle, drop. So this is a point of breakdown. The other one's a 3-day breaker. And yeah, we're at a very critical level right now. 200 moving average or below it, which is concerning. But even if we come back up here, retest the 200 moving average, that's still going to be a pretty damn healthy and healthy movement, right? 41% is a pretty damn nice movement. I don't know about you guys, but I would gladly take 41%. So weekly breaker there, golden pocket support, and that's going to be from this level right here up to the very top. Golden pocket still inside of it. How is this? Is this still a golden pocket or no? Because you could definitely make an argument that that's the actual level. It's below this level. That's a little concerning. But I'm going to go ahead for the sake of argument, say this is a wave 1 to a wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 maybe? A little weird looking. I don't know. Either way, the point is that still think it looks healthy. I still think it looks okay, right? Or at least you have a clear invalidation points that are not that far away. So I think it's worth the risk. Honestly, I do. What is this? Is this another level? No. Okay. All right. What we got there? Last one who leaves ADA and go to Hedera. Please turn off the lights. I know, right? Oh, I appreciate that, Javier. You know what, man? I will cover ADA. You know why? Not just because you asked, but because I did an analysis on every one of the majors today except for ADA. So let's go ahead and do it. But I'm telling you right now, ADA does not look good. I already know this. ADA does not look healthy. So I'll do it for you, but just know I do not like the way it looks. So don't get your hopes up that high. Let's go to this one. This is my chart I've been working with. Wait, am I? Is this the chart I'm working with? Let me see. I guess it is. Huh, interesting. All right, let's look at this. Okay, so 3-day level, but here's the main thing we have here. We already have this massive block that's happening in between it. So I don't know if this is that significant anymore. We've already fallen but beneath it. We've closed underneath it. We're back down to it again. I don't know if this is acting as much support resistance. So that's concerning. If we go to the daily chart, nothing too crazy. 4-hour chart. There's no real support where we're at right now. Look at this though. I'm curious. You have piqued my curiosity. Oh yeah, way further down that should be. Yeah. Tap the 786. That's interesting. Yep, 786 was tapped. But the 786 by definition is too far down. All right, we don't like seeing a 786 drop. There's arguments made as the head and shoulders. I can definitely see that as well. Oof. It's brutal. Brutal. Yeah, I don't know, man. This does not look healthy to me. The volume profile, let's look at that. Volume over here on the increase is pretty low. This drop was very massive. And volume is starting to decline, which is a good sign at least. So volume is low. That's a good thing. Do we have any sort of patterns or anything else playing out over here? Do we have maybe a falling wedge? That'd be pretty nice. No. Even on the hourly, I'll take anything at this point. I'm trying to give you some hope here. I just don't really think I have much for you. Well, break above this trend line, we'll start talking. But that's really all I got, man. There's really not much. There's not much going on here. This hourly block, maybe? I just don't know, man. I don't think it's that significant at all. If you can recover this in 2 days and 3 hours, that's about all I got for you. Let's go to the BTC pairing. Point of breakdown. Yep. Did a point of breakdown. 3-day candle. Rejection. Over here. Yep. 200's way down here, which is terrifying because there's a long ways to drop. You're holding the point of breakdown. That's good. What's the BTC pairing? How are we doing over here? Nope, we fell below it. Top the 786 as well. Dude, there's not much here. There really isn't. And I hate to say it like that, but there's just not. Like, even you would have at least wanted to see it this hold. Came down here and then like rejected, but there's nothing. There's no sign of life from this coin. God, there's just not much here, guys. I'm sorry, but I think the next level we're looking at on this pairing be down here. I don't see much on here, guys. I really don't. Sorry, man. I'm trying to give you a really good case here, but I just don't really see much of a bullish case on ADA right now. So here's the thing about ADA, all right? And you got to understand this. I was one of the major... I bought ADA. My average entry for ADA was at 8 cents, okay? I've been playing this one a long time. So I'm not someone who's like against ADA or whatever. I made a lot of money off this sucker, right? So I was in through all of this, and I actually sold a majority of my holding. I probably did it up here, actually. I sold... I definitely sold at around $2.45 or so. So around here, whenever I sold this interaction, okay, when it came up here and retested, that was my sell opportunity, I believe. So overall, though, guys, I don't like this chart. I don't think it looks very healthy. We've had a lot. We had a lot. We had a lot of growth that happened on this chart, but I think that we're just too large at this point. I think that it's basically starting to top off. I would love to say I'm wrong, but the first thing the chart has to do to me is prove me wrong, right? You have to prove me wrong. I'm not going to give you that ability. At least, bare minimum, break above here, keep going up. That's the first thing I want to see. Until that happens, I can't be bullish. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Yeah. Oh, no. No, I just broke my charger. That sucks. That sucks. All right, whatever. It is what it is. I just broke my charger. That's so unfortunate. It's an iPhone charger. All right, whatever. It is what it is. Okay, no worries. Yeah, hit the like button though. Yeah, for real, man. That really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. It gives me all that extra little bump and push that YouTube needs. Let's see where we're at right now. We're at 19 likes and 28 viewers right now. It's not horrible. It's not horrible. We can do better. We're at 20 likes. There we are. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Bump those numbers up. I like it. I always forget to ask, but yeah, I do appreciate it. All right, cool. Let's keep going on. Chart request. Oh, QSP, we already did that. I'm going to go ahead and like this because I'm not going to do like I'm gonna do one review per person. That's my goal today. RSR. Never heard of it. Let's see. Have I done this chart? I don't think I have. Oh, I have. Son of a gun. Goes to show how many charts I do. I don't need funding for this. I do want RSI up though. Relative strength index. Let's go to the daily. Ugh. Ugh. Gross, gross, gross. Monthly. Okay, monthlies. What we got? What we got in here? That's a support. Beautiful. So this support held really well. Technically, this whole area is support. We have so much price action between it. I'm not going to count it. I still think this is going to hold up if it comes down to it again. So for first off, if it comes down here, that's a really good thing. I think it'd be a good buy opportunity. Now, next off, this would have been a good level to hold. That'd have been great. If we could have held this level, that'd have been great. But we didn't. We fell through. So show weakness. Not liking that. Good news, actually, good news is we actually have not lost this support yet. Why is that? Because, look, there is still space. There's still green in between that candle. So if we're going to be disciplined, in which case we should be, right, we actually have not lost this level yet. So this is still acting as support. So it's still acting as support. We have 5 days and 3 hours to get our butts back up, and this is technically still holding. So not done yet. God, that's a monster drop. My gosh. This is lost, though. This officially is a resistance. And here, resistance. This is resistance. Red. Red. Okay, there you go. It's technically resistance. Yeah. Well, no. Okay, here's the thing, right? So it came down here and it lost it, right? So we did lose this level, but we came back up here and we reclaimed it, and we actually closed above it. So this no longer exists. I'm cool with that being gone. These are my levels, guys. I think this makes a lot of sense. How's our Fibonacci levels doing? I think it's too far. Yep, too far down. Okay, RSR. Do I have it on here? I think I do. Nope. Altcoin analysis. RSR. We have dropped below. We have dropped below our key level, or our wait. I can't talk today. We have dipped further than I would like to see on a Fibonacci retracement. The weekly breaker has not been lost yet, despite the fact it looks like it looks bad. Okay. It's not ideal if we lose this weekly breaker, which I think is very likely at this point. So could this act support? Technically it could. I just don't know if it's going to, guys. There's a lot of price action between here. I think it could. Actually, you know what? I think it is significant. Low time frame. Let's see how it acted. Consolidation in there. So we confirmed his resistance, came back up, consolidated, never confirmed that a support. I think it's significant. You know, I take that back. I think it is significant. The more I look at it, the more I think it makes sense. So yeah, this is still significant. We have a weekly and monthly support below us, so I don't think that there is too much further to drop. God, I can't type today. Man. Yeah, so we have a weekly and a monthly support below us, so I don't think there's too much further to drop. Let's go to the BTC pairing. RSR. Huh. That's a sweep. This chart is interesting. This chart's very interesting. I like the sweep. I like the sweep. I don't like how we're falling so far down though. Yeah, I don't like this. Yeah, too far down of a retracement. Yeah, we're not retracing far. Like we're retracing too far down. But our recent price action price has dropped us lower. I would want to see until we show more strength. Yep. All right, cool. I like it. I hope that makes sense. All right, cool. Let's do this. So RSR is done. Is anyone gonna ask about freaking Hbar? All right, I'm gonna do Hbar myself because I need to look at that. So I haven't looked at Hbar yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Okay, I'm gonna choose to do Hbar because as you guys know, Hbar is my largest position. So I always want to know what the hell's going on with my favorite position or my largest position. Well, all right. So for first off, we had a really good candle last week, and that's something that I did like to see. This was a very strong, healthy candle. We dropped way down and now had a really nice bounce. Decent volume as well, but we did not have much follow through yet, which is concerning, right? So we are dropping down a little further. Now, our weekly levels are still holding, and as long as our weekly levels are still holding, like I have to remain good on this coin, right? Let's go to here. We once again have retested, well, almost retested. Pretty decent reaction. How's the rest of the market looking? Bitcoin, we're at 41.8. Okay. Coming down here, we're retesting that. We held that. We need to get back up. It still looks like a retest right now, guys. Like I'm as long as we don't lose this weekly level, I'm still not concerned. Let's go to a even lower time frame. Let's go to a 4-hour. Do we have any bullish market structure forming? We have a sweep. Ooh, baby, I like this. This is across the board, isn't it? I don't think it's just this. Let's see. No, it is that. Look at this. We had a sweep on Hbar, and that was it. We had a sweep on Hbar, but we did not get a sweep on the other one, on Bitcoin. I like it. Look at the BTC pairing. I'm really curious now. BTC pairing on Hbar. Show me some green. Oh, 200 moving average is right there. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. 200 is right. Oh, that's a 4 hour. Damn it. Okay, that's fine though. It's fine. 2 hour with a 4 hour 200 moving average is right there. That's really good. This level appears to be holding up quite nicely. 4 hour 200. This is my winner right here. Could this be a falling wedge? Let's see. No. No, I'm grasping for straws at that point. What's over here? Nope. Over here. Nope. Okay. So super low volume on these drops. Look at that volume over here. It's so low. This whole drop is just such low volume compared to over here on the rise. So that's interesting. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's start doing an analysis on it. Hbar breakers are still holding strong on the USD pairing. On the lower time frame, appear to be bouncing off of the falling trend line from the previous all-time high. No, this is only USD pairing, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Okay. On the BTC pairing, what happened on the BTC pairing? Look at that again. We have low volume on the drop. We have low volume on the drop. Oh, and are essentially resting on the 4 hour 200 moving average, which is a very strong indicator on exceptionally bullish coins. Let's see if there is before getting too bullish. All right, cool. God, a lot of stuff going on in this one. Okay. Oh, and I didn't get a picture of this. Cool. Cool. Chart request. Where are we at? ETN and Hbar. Okay, well, I already covered Hbar, so let's cover ETN. ETN BTC looks great. I did a review on this yesterday, didn't I? 2 days ago. Yesterday, this morning. You know what? No, I'm good. ATN looks fine. I did an update last night. So you guys see this? All right, watch this. Watch carefully. Falling wedge. Cool. Breakout. Reclaim. Continuation. Okay. You can also look at this as a rounded bottom sort of pattern. Okay. Now, where does this come from? Zoom out. Look back. Line, line, line. Okay. This is a very bullish structure. All right. This looks very bullish. I'm very happy with this. And it's holding it very nicely. Now, what needs to happen, we need to continue like this and continue upwards. But I think we have the strength to do it. So ETN looks really good. Let's look at the BTC pairing as USD pairing as well. ETN. What is this? Oh, weekly breaker. Yeah, look at that weekly breaker reclaim. Like, look at that candle. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. That's beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. Let's do this. That's just amazingly beautiful hammer candle. So this is, let me show this real quick. This is a bullish hammer candle. Bullish hammer candlestick images. Right here. Okay. Bullish hammer candlestick. Okay. Small or no upper shadow. You guys see that? No wick on the top side. Long bottom shadow. Long bottom shadow. Well, go over here. Very little top wick. See that? Very little top wick. Long bottom shadow. Tight consolidation on the top side. This is perfect. Okay. Very, very good bullish hammer candle. Yeah, ATM looks great, guys. Like straight up. All right, neat. Done. MTV. How many more do we got? All right, we're doing it. God, there's so many. Fuck, I'm trying to get caught up, and it's tough. I'm gonna go for the 50 minutes. And I'm gonna stop. Okay, I'm gonna stop at 50 minutes because I still got time. MTV, multi-vac, Tether, and Bitcoin. Never heard of it in my life. Interesting. I don't hate it. I don't hate this. So RSI on here, strong bullish divergence. Strong volume though. But this candle is disgusting. So I want to see. I want to see it come down here. What else we got? Whoa! That is just beautiful. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Too far of a drop, but obviously didn't care. Damn, that is just gorgeous. Yeah, absolutely beautiful, guys. I like it a lot. Could it go higher? Yeah, absolutely. May of 2019. Very nice rounded bottom pattern. See this? Rounded bottom patterns. I love these. I love these coins. Rounded bottom patterns these are like my favorites. So, really nice rounded bottom pattern. I like that. MTV. Really nice rounded bottom pattern. However, we have bearish divergences on the high time frame on the BTC and USD pairings for RSI and volume. Yep. They're concerning as of now. Oof. Oofta. Sucks. All right, let's look at this. So, over here, breaker, very clear. You guys see that, right? Look at where this candle rejected. Right there. Tapped it, rejected. Why did it reject there? Because it's a massive breaker. Simple as that, guys. I'm telling you, this stuff works. It works so well. This looks like a shooting star candle. Shooting star candlestick. Images. All right, shooting star. See that? Shooting star candlestick. Long upper shadow, little or no bottom shadow, which is what you got right there. The opposite of a bullish hammer. So the absolute opposite of a bullish hammer is a shooting star, which we have right now. Cool. Then on the BTC pairing, I think it looks even better if I remember correctly. Oh wait, no, it's both on here. USD, BTC. No, it is. There it is, right there. High volume on the shooting star as well. Yeah, it's just not. It's not good. It's not good looking at all. Very strong bullish, bearish divergences all across the board. So yeah, not great. All right, cool. MTV is done. Let's go to the next one. Oh, wait, wrong one. Chart request. DGB. I don't think I know this one. DGB. What the hell is that? DGB. DGB. Okay. What is DGB? I don't know what the heck this coin even is. Let's look. Oh, it's right here. DGB. Digibyte. Okay. Not that bad on the market cap. It's definitely a low market cap relatively. Not too bad. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. And back over here. Cool. Monthly level. Well, we better get above here really quick. We're going to have a massive monthly breaker. It's going to kick our butt. Number one. Let's go to the weekly. We already have this level as a resistance. Yep. That's all we got. That's all we got. Cool. 3-day. Awesome. Another resistance. The big issue is, where's our support at? I want to say this is our support. So you can tell support because this consolidation cluster, up movement, down in price, continuation the upward. This is the break, and this is the break for the direction of the movement. So uptrend, break, continuation, right? Okay. Came down here, tested once. Let's look at our Fibonacci retracements. Looks like it went down too far, and it did. 786 retracement, so don't like that. Retracement's too far. Okay, it's very like to see for healthy continuation upward. Has been established, not too much there. Look right here, weekly, monthly. I don't like that. Very clean, nothing there. Already been utilized. No, there's nothing here. I don't like this chart. Yeah, I don't like this chart at all. This is it. That's all we got. Like, this is really all the support we have left in this chart. Way too far down. This is it. This is all we got left. I mean, I'm like, it looks bad. This chart does not look good at all. I'm not happy with it at all. Yeah, I don't like it at all. That's all I got to say about this. It just doesn't look good. Yep. Listen them out, but overall, just don't like it, guys. All right. Cool. Next. Where are we at? Orn. Orn. Jigstack is crashing. What is going on? Is the market crashing right now? No? Looks fine. Whoa! All right, you see, this is what happens when you chart too much. Look at this damn thing. This is how you know you chart too much. That is just disgusting. Just disgusting looking. All right, I'm done. All right. Yeah, Bitcoin looks fine. We zoom in, it makes a lot more sense, but yeah. I have 5 Bitcoin charts to keep track of all my thoughts on it. That's just nuts. All right. What is next? Let's go over here to chart request. ORN. ORN tether. Well, it's holding up. So far, so good. Monthly, zoom out. Nothing significant. We have this. This is significant. I just really don't want to come back down here again. If it does, it should act as major support. Weekly levels. No, not really much. I want a breakdown. This is a solid level right here. I think we are currently at a pretty major support. Yep, currently at a support level. I like it right now. Right now, I like it. Right here? I like this. It's not bad. Fibonacci retracement level, see how we're at. Up here. Ooh, look at that. Are we retracing right down to the golden pocket? First off, this structure looks really weird. I don't know if I want to call this a golden pocket retracement because this entire structure looks really weird. Technically it is. Increase, flag, increase, drop. Okay. Yeah, technically it is. I don't think I have an orange one on here, do I? Nope. Let's go over here to altcoin analysis. Likely area of it doing it. Hey Saad, how you doing? Pakistan, love your videos, man. Hey, thanks, brother. Appreciate that. Let's see. Alec, how do you get drawings to snap onto candle wicks on TradingView? Yep, click on the magnet tool. Exactly. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate you hitting them up on that, man, in case I missed it. Weekly point of breakdown retest happening right now, and I'm just going to hold likely area of doing it. Also are close to the golden pocket retracement, the movement. Yep, I like that. Let's go to the BTC pairings. What do we got here? First off, I think I want to look at right here. Nope, below it. Okay. See how this looks. Ooh. I like that. We're at the golden pocket right now on this chart. You know what, man? I don't know. This doesn't look that bad. The more I look at it, the more like, why are you dropping, Stack? Come on, man. I talked so good about you earlier. Like, you need to hold yourself up together. Hold yourself together, man. I need you to hold this together. All right. The BTC pairing is also at a golden pocket retracement. Yep. What else? This right here is a support on the weekly. I like Orn. I think Orn looks pretty damn good. Honestly, I do. All right, neat. Chart request, chart review. There we are. All right, BAT. B-A-T. Let's get rid of that. Oops. Whatever. B-A-T. I've owned BAT for a very long time. Yeah. I own BAT for a very long time. So I've been very bullish on it for a very long time. And it's done really well. It's really, really well for me. I'm really happy with it. Well, I'm going to get rid of this. I think we have better levels we can look at. Do you want to go back here? Which one I want to use? Let's do the coin-based one. There's more price history here. Well, let's go to the monthly. Nothing. Weekly. No, no. We fell below there, so I really don't want to consider that. This is a clean support resistance flop. Nice area to bounce from. Makes a lot of sense. Let's see how the retracement looks like. I think it's too far. Yeah, too far of a drop. Gross. We're dropping too far. I don't like it. This is just too far of a drop. I don't like this drop. We're dropping further in my comfort zone, and where's the 200 at? Yep, below 200 moving average. We have this. Okay, what the hell is going on? Here to here. There we go. Okay. Okay. Let's go annotate on that. BAT, BTC pairings. Gross. Just don't like this right now. Which sucks, is I've been a pretty big supporter of BAT as a whole. Like, it was one of my first altcoins started trading. All right, thank God we finally have a damn bullish case here. Right, right up here. Okay, good. So the BTC pairing looks like we are actually in the golden pocket. Thank gosh. I already got that picture. That's fine. Levels, not clear. Levels. Has this been tested yet? No, it is not. You know what? There's a damn good case on the BTC pairing. That's good too, because man, I was really struggling here because like I do own a significant amount of BAT, and I'd be pretty disappointed if I had to sell it for a loss. But if you have to, you have to, right, guys? That's what it is. We have some sort of a falling wedge-ish pattern forming. It's not very clear, but there's definitely some sort of a falling wedge. Do it again. All right, there we go. All right, there we go. Okay. There is hope. There is hope for BAT. Thank gosh. Be very disappointed if what? Oh, if it loses. If it loses. Got it. Because we haven't lost it yet, right? I mean, no, we're fine. Okay. If we close a weekly below here, yeah, then we have issues. I would go ahead and dump a lot of my position. So, yeah, if we close below 5 days, 2 hours, in 5 days and 2 hours, if we're below this green block, yeah, I would have to assume that we do have some serious issues. But right now, nah, we're fine. So, yeah, if it loses on the weekly, that's very important. Now, we could technically drop all the way down here and retest here, and then continue back to the upside. I would not even be that, I'll be pretty surprised. But it's possible, right? So the important thing, exactly, remind me 5 days and 3 hours. You're exactly correct on that. So remind me 5 days and 3 hours, and then we'll readjust this, right? But I'm not concerned yet. I think it's still holding up fine. How's a big? Let's see this. Gosh, Bitcoin dominance is just spiking right now. Gross. Whoa, is this a tradable? Is this a tradable pattern? I think it's tradable. Yeah, I think we're gonna see some further upside on Bitcoin dominance. It makes a lot of sense right now. That sucks. It's all right though. We'll see how we close it, but overall, it looks like we're gonna get some sort of an increase on Bitcoin dominance. So I think we're gonna come up here to around the 43% region, 43 maybe into 44%. So pretty likely at this point. Let me go over here real quick. Bitcoin dominance. Where's it at? Market analysis. Let's go ahead and annotate on here. Let's go over here, drop this sucker down, pop. All right. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, where we at? Chart requests. Okay, BAT is done, 100%. RLC. RLC, where's it at? RLC is one of those charts I really, really liked, so I hope it still looks good. I don't think I actually have any. I don't think I do. Wait. RLC. There it is. I'm about to say, I know I've been following this chart. Ooh. Uh-oh. Fell too low. Fell too low. This breaker's still holding up nicely, though, but we fell too low. Good reaction, though. We did fall too low, lower than I wanted to go, but overall, 786, yep. We have held the RLC. I got that. For this. Held the weekly breaker. Held the weekly breaker quite nicely. It's really all I got to say about that, honestly. Let's go to the BTC pairing. This is why I'm really bullish anyway on the BTC pairing. Yep, went too low. Way too low. Came down here and touched the monthly. Oh shit, cancel that. This one we rejected off of the weekly 200 question mark. Yes. Yeah, we're losing the weekly 200 moving average. I don't like that. That's really concerning to me. That's one of the levels that I just really do not want to see us below. That gives me a lot of that's a big show of weakness. It really is. We're also below the 200. All right. Okay, cool. So all that's there. Let's see. What else? What else? What else? So we have that one done. I'm not gonna do this. Already did two for him. Or one for him. 100. Okay. Ray, SRM, VRA, Vet, Cody. Let's do which one do I really want to do? I'm gonna do VRA. That's the one I want to do. VRA. 200 right here. Okay. Huh. Let's look at this. Monthly, 3-day. What level's that? Is the resistance now? Is the resistance? Okay, daily. Okay, support. 200 is right below us. It's a good sign. Okay. VRA. Okay. VRA makes sense. So yeah, essentially I'm laying out here as we losing support levels on the way down, but we do have this level right here, which should act support. So let's look over here. Oh, hold on a second. I like this. I think we're actually getting close to golden pocket. I think VRA looks really good at this level, or really close to it. Not yet, but soon. All right, this looks really good. Let's go to the BTC pairing, see how that one looks. VRA. Yep, triangle. We lost it. Okay, it's significant. Let's go over here to the weekly. Nope, 3-day. Yep, 3-day. We have not lost it. We have. Wait, yesterday we lost it right here. We lost it right there. Damn. Yep, we did lose it. Son of a bitch. Okay, so this is going to be a resistance. This we did not lose. It's still a support. Okay. Up here. Okay. Nowhere near it. Will be a tremendous buying opportunity soon. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, well, here's what I'm going to do, guys. I am exhausted. I am losing my mind doing all these analysis. I'm going to go ahead and get off. I did like, God, 20 probably a 20 or so, which is a damn good dent in all of our different analysis. So I'm pretty happy with it. I got caught up quite a bit. We know what's going on with the market, did a lot of updates, so hope you guys enjoyed the stream. But I'm going to go ahead and get off, and I will talk to you guys later. So thank you so much for joining in. Really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces, boys.